Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. On tonight's video, I wanted to talk to you guys real quick about how to finesse your growing edges from traction alopecia. So many of you guys know I got some edges problems going on. Really, I don't have edges problems. I have actual hair problems, and my edges were snatched off and then they're growing back in, and so now they're no longer edges. They're more like the perimeter of my hair or the beginning of my hair point. So like from here on back, my hair is short. I have a little mini afro because my hair keeps growing in, and then once it grows in, it starts off like right here real close to the front, and then as it grows in, or well, when it grows out, it starts moving back here and being regular hair. That's how I know it's not my edges. I had my hair snatched out of my head from a tight tree braid. So I'm gonna show you a few pictures of how my hair looked when I got started back in 2015, I think, to get them to grow back. But here it is, 2023. They are growing in full force. So the hair will grow in, and then it'll get long, and it has grown long enough for me to combine it into my locks. So now I got some new sprouting hair right here and right here, and I tried to put them in a connecting lock or a neighboring lock, and it's too short. It won't fit. So what I have been doing lately is just taking a little bit of gel and just making this into some little curly cues, because they drive me crazy. I hate them. I love them and I hate them at the same time. Like, I wanted my hair to grow back, and now I hate the way it looks. It's too short to do one thing and too long to do another. So what I've done before was just take a little small comb and just try to just twirl it or something. Just finesse it, honey, so I can feel good. Because I hate when I look at my edges and they just look like, I hate that afro. I hate it. So today I got up and I took the longer part, the afro part, and put it in my locks. And it made me instantly feel better. Because I find myself just staring at them and messing with them. What is this? Girl, what are you doing? Caught myself trying to do some little curly cues. Uh-oh, I combined them together. What about that? What about that? This makes me feel better instantly. Guys, I got so much gray hair growing out of the perimeter of my head. I snatched out like 5 gray hairs today. I know. Nezi, stop doing that. No! So I could probably move this up here. This is probably going to flatten out by the morning because it's late in the evening. It's like 8 o'clock. So far, that looks pretty good, doesn't it? Instead of just having this little line of hair, you can see it right here. See, I still got those dips right here. So you saying, well, Nezi, what did you do to get your hair to grow back? Well, back in 2015, I was using like products that had tea tree oil in it, and anything that burned, I would use that. And then I didn't really do a lot of massaging, but I stopped wearing tight braids, tight tension styles around there. Well, I couldn't because I had no hair, but once my hair started growing back in, I didn't start, let me snatch this up. I didn't do that. And what else did I do? I use products that have biotin in it. I'll link my edges playlist to this video right here. So when it kicks out, you can just say, oh, let me click on it. Let me click on it. So it took a long time for it to start growing. But these last 3 years, all of a sudden, my hair is growing fast. It's growing in successions. Are you familiar with successions? Do you know what that word means? I learned that word, I think, in 2021 when I got into gardening. I don't know how to go. Make this go. Twist, twist, twist. Successions mean to grow in stages. So put this in your mind's eye. Visualize this. So say for instance you have some tulips in your garden, and you have a row of red, yellow, and peach, and you know that your tulips don't last that long. So, but you always want some tulips there. So you put your red colored tulips in the back. Is it the back or the front? Yeah, in the back. So yeah, and then you put your peach in the middle, and then you put your yellow in the front. So you know that the red ones are going to grow, and then when they start dying off, your middle color starts growing, which is the peach colored tulips, and then once they die off, your yellow ones starts growing in. So you always have a series of tulips growing in. So when those other ones in the back die, you already know your third row, your first row is going to grow in and fill in that spot. So this is what my hair is doing. It's growing in successions. So it's growing, and then it gets long, and then the next row grows, and it gets long, and I take that, put that back. So I'm constantly having new hair growing in. Yep, and it's never growing at the same speed. It's never growing at the same time. It's just growing. I appreciate my little edges. They be making me feel like Afro head. Oh my God, I still got a long way to go. I probably won't ever have a full head of edges all at one time ever again in life. This side didn't get pulled out too much, but baby. So I think I like the way my edges look already. When I try to lay this down up here, guys, there is nothing to lay down. It is like slick mo lick. Slick mo lick. Slick mo lick. So I just try to give an illusion of some hair being here. Do I have a toothbrush? Where's my toothbrush at? Nope. I left my toothbrush in the other room. Oh, I got a little bit of baby hair trying to grow in. But baby, this is bald. Baby, why you make me so bald headed? Guys, let me tell you a story. What was the story though? Oh, this is a story. So yesterday, guys, this is so funny. I should be embarrassed, but I'm not, because I don't know why these folks keep calling me. But anyway, yesterday evening I was on the phone with my friend, and in the midst of me chatting with my friend, my phone clicks. Somebody's calling me on my other call, on the other end. And of course it's an unknown number. I'm like, here we go. But I answer my phone because I want to know who it is. So I clicked over and I said, hello? 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 I said hello like 4 or 5 times. All of a sudden you hear this little foreigner comes on. Hello? Hello, Angelique? And I said, yes. Yes, I was calling about your address, about your home, and I was wondering, would you be interested in selling your home? I don't understand why you mother effers keep calling me about my house. I know how to find somebody to sell my house. I can sell my own damn house if I wanted to. I used to be a real estate agent when I was 20 years old. If I wanted to, I could sell my own damn house. So I said, no, I'm not selling my house. He said, okay, thank you. So I clicked over. So I thought, I'm thinking I clicked over to my friend. Girl, I was not clicking over. I was not talking to my friend when I said this. I said, yeah, girl, this mother effer keep calling me. I don't know why these mother effers keep calling me about my damn house. Tomorrow they want to buy my house. I'm so sick of these mother effers. Mother effer, not hell no. I was just cussing and just being real ignorant. All of a sudden I heard click, and I looked at my phone. I saw that his number had hung up. I said, oh boy, he heard what I said, and I don't care. Am I embarrassed? Hell no. Don't call my damn phone no more. How that look? Don't keep calling me about selling my damn house. These investors are buying all these homes around here, and they put like a little bit of money in there and sell it for these astronomical ass prices. And you running up my damn taxes. My house ain't worth no. They sold one house around the corner for $180. My house ain't worth no damn $180. That's stupid. And these people are. I mean, I'm not mad at them. They are excited about buying homes. They want a nice house in a nice area, so they're. I'm not gonna say desperate, but yeah, they'll pay a lot of money for what they want. No matter if it's not worth it. These homes today, what they're selling for is not worth the prices. They just price gouging us, you know, and they just running this cause of COVID thing down to the grave, baby. Ever since COVID just hit, well, you know, everything's high because of COVID. Girls, you can't say that no more. At this point, you just price gouging. Girl, now my friend was telling me that she has to pay $100 to get her hair retwisted. I was like, what? What? Whoa! And these wigs, to get wigs installed on your head, cost $700-$800. And what? You know the same shit you did 4 or 5 years ago. But the prices of products are going up. The prices of electric is going up. So they have to upcharge just to keep up with the market. Because you can't make no money if you are not paying, if you're not charging enough money to cover your expenses. Ain't my damn fault. So I am glad I know how to retwist my own hair. Does it look super crispy and professional? Nope. That's not what I want, no way. I don't want no professional crispy look. I want that booyaka booyaka, that's the sound of the police look, okay? So this is what my hair looks like. So today I got up and I moisturized my hair and I brushed the linty stuff out and the dog fur, honey. Don't have animals and locks at the same time. They don't go together. You're gonna be always brushing fur out your head. Alright, so what do my edges look like? Edges look okay. You don't see no afro, do you? Hate that afro around there. Alright, so you like? Alright guys, I hope you enjoy this video, and if so, make sure you click the thumbs up button and you subscribe if you like craziness, because I'm different. And I post what I want to post on here. So if you like variety and you like locks and you like grease and you like whatever I do, make sure you click the like button and subscribe. Okay, so I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
Hi guys, and happy Saturday. On tonight's video, I wanted to talk to you guys about how you can hide your do this again.
Hi guys, and happy Saturday. On tonight's video, I want to talk to you guys about how I am going to finesse, or I ain't saying it right.